and make the proxy as burp. So here let's type something. Hello. Now we have captured the request which was sent to the server. So let's send it to the intruder. Remember, repeater and intruder. Intruder is generally used for brute forcing. So here we have given a we have to mention where we have to provide the payload option. Payload means generally we can say that where we have to change. This is a place where the values will be changed to find the correct option, current value. Okay. So here cookies is -1. So I have put here add button where where the number will constantly change and we will get the result. So now we have attack type sniper. In the payload section, we will load the uh, word list which we have recently created.
In the desktop, you probably saved it.
Right. Sorry sir, भूल गया था. So here is the word list, number list. See, I have loaded it here, and after loading it, let's start the attack. Yes, okay. See the status code and the length. Wherever you will get a unique length, you will do some. Sorry, you will get the right option. But, so here something is problem in the. So we have to do it manually, I think. सब लोगों को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना, क्या कर रहा हूँ नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
जी भैया. जी भैया.
एक्चुअली थोड़ा हार्ड दिखा दिया तुम लोगों को स्टार्टिंग में. ठीक है, एक काम करता हूँ मैं फिलहाल ये अभी ऑफ करके रख रहा हूँ. मैं तुमको ईज के लिए स्टार्टिंग में ये इसका आंसर बोल दे रहा हूँ, बाद में नहीं तो इसका आंसर तुम लोग खुद ढूंढोगे. मैं दूसरा इजी वाला दिखा रहा हूँ ताकि ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आए. ठीक है, या फिर यही वाला देखोगे कैसे कर रहे हैं.
भैया यही वाला दिखाइए ना पूरा.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
I'm just interrupting for a while. Is it getting recorded? Rangan, are you there? Is it recording? Okay.
So here we have to manipulate the cookies manually. because using the automation we didn't get any result. So here see, name and value is -1. So we have to manually change it to same session name, and here the value will be, suppose let me give you 1. Okay, and click on add. So now here the value is name and 1. So let's refresh it. What we will get, let's see. I love chocolate chips cookies. That is a cookie, not very special thought. Okay, now let's change it more. Let's now provide 6. मीन्स एक दो करके तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, इसलिए मैं तुम लोग को थोड़ा जंप करके दिखा रहा हूँ. तुम लोग जब फ्री रहोगे उस टाइम ये सिंगल सिंगल डिजिट करके इंक्रीमेंट करके देखना क्या क्या रिजल्ट आता है. ठीक है. See here the at the 6 we have got different message. I love whoopie cookie pie. Now add 10. So again the message has changed. So add this one is the last 18. Here the 18 is the actual answer. So after providing the value as 18, we'll get our flag. Here is the flag. As I told before that Pico CTF is the format, and inside this part we have the unique string which is the original flag. Here let's paste it and see. Hooray, you have solved the challenge correctly. So as we have used a bird seed, so let's show you this one, web exploitation. But find the flag being held on the server to get ahead of the competition. This is the description, and this is the new web page. Choose red, choose blue. If you choose blue, color of the screen will change. Choose red, color of the screen will again got changed. So first of all, let's capture the request. लास्ट वाला समझ में आया सबको?
हाँ भैया.
हाँ भैया.
हाँ भैया.
Okay. So click on do, and we have captured the request. So let's send it to the repeater. Can anyone tell me that what are the changes we have to do here? कोई भी बता सकता है क्या? अच्छा, सबको गेट रिक्वेस्ट पोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट इनके साथ बारे में पता है?
नहीं.
सिर्फ एक का ही आवाज सुना, बाकी सब लोग भी बोलो.
नहीं भैया.
नहीं भैया.
नहीं भैया.
नहीं भैया।
ओके, फिलहाल ये तुम लोग का टास्क है, एक्सप्लोर करो इसके बारे में। ये तुम्हारा नेटवर्किंग पार्ट में, मतलब हाँ नेटवर्क्स में लगता है जनरली। So here we have to change this post request to another request. Here there are many types of requests. Here we have used post. Let's change it to get. Now try to send it and see the result. So it's not satisfactory result. Now change it to put. It's also not satisfactory. Now change it to head. So we get the another CTF challenge flag. सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? See, solved. हेलो,
हाँ भैया।
समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? हाँ भैया नहीं, ये जो पूछ रहे हो
हाँ
बोलो।
भैया।
मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि आधा क्लास को समझ में नहीं आया। अरे भाई कुछ तो रिप्लाई कर दो।
जी भैया, क्यों किए समझ में नहीं आया ये वाला।
तुम्हें रिक्वेस्ट को मैनिपुलेट करना है ताकि वो तुम्हारा जो तुम रिजल्ट मांग रहे हो वो आ जाए, सिंपल वही है। तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा रिक्वेस्ट मैनिपुलेशन में तुम्हें अपना जो पोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट था उसको हेड रिक्वेस्ट में कन्वर्ट करना था। तुम इसे जनरली बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट होते हैं, जैसे गेट हो गया, पोस्ट हो गया, पुट हो गया, डिलीट हो गया और हेड हो गया। तो तुम्हें ये सब रिक्वेस्ट चेंज करके देखना होगा कि किसमें सेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर आ रहा है कि आ रहा है। ठीक है,
भैया एक और बार बोलना क्या क्या वो हेड पुट, और एक बार बोलना वो वाला चीज।
तुम गूगल में रिक्वेस्ट हेडर्स करके सर्च करो। ठीक है,
ओके भैया।
ये तुम लोगों का टास्क है। पूरा डिटेल्स में तो नहीं बोल सकता अभी इस सेशन में, तो ये तुम लोगों का टास्क है। रिक्वेस्ट हेडर करके सर्च करो, सर्च करके तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा डिटेल्स। तुम लोगों को खुद पढ़ना होगा। ये थर्ड वाला और लास्ट वेब का चैलेंज है, बाकी दूसरे का चैलेंज दिखा रहा हूँ। ये वाला और इजी है तुम्हारा। वेब चैलेंज बेसिक्स में तुम्हारा ऐसा चैलेंज भी आता है कभी कभार। तो इस चैलेंज में तुम्हारा सिंपल ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है, इसमें सिर्फ इंस्पेक्ट करना है। इंस्पेक्ट का मतलब पता है सबको? इंस्पेक्ट कैसे करते हैं, क्या है?
कैसे करते हैं पता है भैया, लेकिन क्या है क्यों करते हैं पता नहीं।
वाह, कैसे करते हैं यही बोल दो।
जनरली भैया राइट क्लिक करके करते हैं या फिर F12 दबा के कर लेते हैं वेबसाइट में।
F12 बस, गुड। सो हाँ, ऐसे भी किया जा सकता है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा लेंदी प्रोसेस होगा, तो इसलिए इंस्पेक्ट के बजाय मैं सोर्स कोड को ही देखूंगा अलग से। देखो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन रहता है व्यू सोर्स को पेज सोर्स। So I open the page source and here you will see that we got a part of the flag. Okay, so let's copy it, paste it for now. हाँ, और ये पूरा कंप्लीट फ्लैग नहीं है, ये तुम्हारा इस फ्लैग का तीन 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है। उसमें एक पार्ट तुम्हारा ये था। ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है सबको? हेलो, हाँ
हाँ
ना,
भैया।
कुछ तो बोलो, बार
हाँ
बार बोल रहा
भैया।
हूँ।
हाँ भैया, हाँ भैया, हाँ भैया।
ठीक है, तो इसमें देखो तुम्हारा सोर्स कोड में तुम्हारा इसके साथ 2 और फाइल्स भी लिंक्ड है, CSS और JS का। तो लेट्स ओपन द CSS एंड लेट्स अगेन ओपन अनदर फाइल JS। तो CSS में जाके देखोगे, कमेंट में तुम्हारा सेकेंड पार्ट मिल जाएगा फ्लैग का। Just copy the second part and paste it here along with the last first one. अब तुम्हारा JS में भी सेम तुम्हारा कमेंट में लास्ट पार्ट रहेगा। ये भी पेस्ट कर दिया, देखो कंप्लीट। एक मिनट, आई थिंक क्रिप्टोग्राफी वाला। हाँ ठीक है, अब सुमंत्रो तुम लोगों को दिखाएगा क्रिप्टोग्राफी और जनरल स्किल वाला। सुमंत्रो,
हाँ भैया।
हाँ, अब वो वाला शो कर। लास्ट में
इसमें
मैं
बोलो।
बैक वाला दिखा दूंगा।
Okay. Okay, so am I audible? In your response, please.
जी
हाँ
भैया।
भैया।
Yes भैया।
Okay, so good evening, all of you. Okay.
गुड इवनिंग भैया।
Good evening. Let me share my screen first. Oh, so is my screen visible?
यस भैया।
यस भैया।
Okay. Okay. So I think that up till now, Sandeep bhai have taught you a little bit. So you have got to know that what a flag is, how to find it, little bit of that. So I'll be getting into some of the cryptographic flags or the cryptographic problems that are being listed in this Pico CTF. So you don't have this Linux installed, right, in the system. Okay. So let's start with this first one, mod 26. So from here we have to first see that what the description tells, right? So here it is telling that the cryptography can be easy. Do you know what ROT 13 is? Okay, so it's something you may not understand. So let's copy this first and let's check what ROT 13 is actually, right? Okay, so ROT 13 is basically an algorithm, right? That is used for encryption. So here text or something gibberish is given here. So this is basically the thing that is being encrypted using this ROT 13 algorithm. So how to decrypt it? For doing that, there is a website that's known as Cyber Chef. You can bookmark this one. This will be very helpful in your CTF account. Everyone have open this one in your system, Cyber Chef. So now let's copy this one. And then we have to put it in this. So there are 3 fields over here. These are the operations, that is the algorithms that are being given over here. This is the input and the output will be shown over here, right? So we have to first give the input, that is our text file that is being given, and we have to search in this operations for rot 13. So you can see over here that rot 13 is given. You have to put this in the recipe, and we have got the output. Let's copy this. Paste it. Let's check. Done. Okay. This is that easy. So these are very basic things that you can check it out. Okay. So one more thing that you can check is that this gibberish file that is being given here, this may be located into the website that Sandeep has showed right now in the comment section or something like that. You have to find that one, and you have to take that this gibberish one, and you have to put it in the CyberChef, and you have to check for each and every one. Here it is given that it is being encrypted using ROT13. You have got a hint over here, but in the website there will be no hints given. So you have to check each and every algorithms one by one. Okay. Some of the base 64x, there are many things over there, right? So there is one more. You can check this very easy. You can do it on yourself, and I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just check it, and if you can solve this, that it's known as 13. Everyone, please check it out. 13. Solve it on your own and check if you can solve it or not. Okay. Solving anyone? हेलो.
हाँ भैया कर रहे हैं.
हाँ ठीक है. देखो कर पाते हो कि नहीं.
भाई तू देखी दे, बेसी टाइम नहीं.
ओके ओके ओके.
हाँ भैया 13 वाला कर लिया.
हाँ कैसे किया बताओ जरा.
वो भैया पहले वो साइबर सेफ वाला साइट खोला, फिर यहाँ से वो जो टेक्स्ट दिया था फ्लैग का वो कॉपी करके वहां पे पेस्ट किया,
ठीक.
फिर ऑपरेशन में सर्च करके रॉट 13 निकाला और वो वैल्यू आउटपुट में मिल गया.
गॉट इट. ठीक ठीक. चलो ये तो हो गया क्रिप्टोग्राफी का कुछ. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा सा जनरल स्किल्स में भी जाते हैं. और हियर इट्स गिवन first one. Let's try obedient cat. Okay, so here it's telling that this file has a flag in plain sight, aka in the clear, right? So here is a flag given. First download this flag one. We have got a flag file. Now open the terminal. You have to first locate to the directory where the file has been downloaded. So in my case it's downloads. Okay, so it's giving flag. I've got a file known as flag. So there is a command in Linux that's known as cat, right? For checking text. Yeah. And here's it. Here's the output. So you can open any file, any text file basically, and check the content without opening it using the cat command, right? So you can copy it and turn. Okay, so let's check. Again, you can also solve this one using the Windows system also, right? You can download that file and open it using any text editor, and that's Notepad or anything like that. And you can also get the flag in Windows system also. So now let's check this one. We have a flag. So it's telling that can we invoke help flags for a tool or binary? This program has extraordinary helpful information. So let's check what the program says. We have a file that's been downloaded. That's warm. Let's check. Yeah, I've got the file warm, and now let's get warm. So there's something like this. This can't be solved like that. So we can do one thing. So here it's telling that the permission is denied, right? So what this means? That means that this, I'll check it over here, that this one file is not having any executable permission, right? Here it should be RW and there should be a X over here, but there is no X. So we have to give the permission to this one, and we can give it using plus X and 1. Now let's check if I've got the permission or not. Okay, so I've got the permission. It's plus X. You can use plus X for all the systems to get the executable permissions, right? So now you can execute it, I think. Now let's check. Okay, so /warm is basically used to run any file. Okay. So it's telling the file user pass me a -h to learn what can I do. So let's do it. -h. Here it is. I've got the flag. समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
हाँ भैया।
हाँ भैया।
मंत्रो।
हाँ है बोल।
नेक्स्ट একটা রিভার্স ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এর ডেমো দেখাবে তো অনিমেষ।
अच्छा
অনিমেষ
तो कि
অনিমেষ हेलो अच्छा वेट अ मिनट
ঠিক আছে আরেকটা দেখিয়ে দিতে হবে
ठीक है देखा see guys there are different topics in CTF okay so if not everyone is capable of doing all of the topics so there are many different parts which others like to do others have interest like Onimes is interested in binary exploitation and reverse engineering. I am interested in web exploration, cryptography, and general purpose. Similarly, Sumantra is interested in the same web exploitation, cryptography, and general. So, for showing some demo about reverse engineering, so I would like to call Onimes Acharya. He is one of my, you can say him as one of my small brothers. We generally meet at the work.
Okay, so hello everyone. It's me, Animesh Acharya. Today I'm gonna show you some reverse engineering CTFs. Let me share my screen.
Sumantra, screen share of course. Guys, जब तक अनिमेश स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा है तब तक मेरे को सब लोग एक आंसर बोलो कि सब लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं।
हाँ भैया आ रहा है समझ में।
आ रहा है भैया।
देख
यस भैया आ रहा है।
ये सेशन तुम लोगों के लिए स्पेशली किया गया है ताकि तुम लोगों को समझ में आए। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग कुछ भी पढ़ा दिए और तुम लोगों को समझ नहीं आया फिर चले गए, ऐसा नहीं है। तुम लोगों को अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा तो बोलो हम लोगों को, ठीक है? ओके,
So today I'm gonna show some reverse engineering CTF. One of my favorite is keygenme.py. Okay, guys. So let me open the challenge. There is no description. Okay, let me download the file. It's actually already downloaded. Okay, don't save this file. So in this challenge, the challenge provide a .python file. Does everybody know what Python is?
Yes, भैया.
And
Yes, भैया.
we must analyze the Python file. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, भैया.
यस भैया.
Yes, भैया, it's visible.
So the challenge is keygen me. Do you know what is keygen means?
No, भैया.
No.
So there are some programs which you can licensed with key. की मतलब एक एक कोड होता है, उससे तुम उस प्रोग्राम का लाइसेंस अनलॉक कर सकते हो. ये तो पता है विंडोज का लाइसेंस होता है.
हाँ.
वैसे ही जो लाइसेंस बनता है, उसका एक पीछे बैकएंड में प्रोग्राम रहता है, ठीक है? तो उसका जो प्रोग्राम जो लाइसेंस बन रहा है ना, उसका कोड ये है पूरा. For doing reverse engineering, you must analyze the source code of a program. In this Python file, first they import hashlib, import base64 cryptography fundnet. There are some variables: username trial gough, byte username trial byte gough, and there is a variable called key part static one trial. pico ctf ये तो थोड़ा सा पार्ट दिया है, और की पार्ट डायनेमिक ट्रायल, ये वाला पार्ट इस प्रोग्राम में बन रहा है, ठीक है? देन देयर इज अ वेरिएबल कॉल्ड की फुल टेम्पलेट ट्रायल, की पार्ट स्टैटिक ट्रायल प्लस की पार्ट डायनेमिक ट्रायल, की पार्ट स्टैटिक टू ट्रायल. तो इसमें जो की बन रहा है उसमें टोटल 3 पार्ट्स हैं. एक पार्ट स्टैटिक है, उसके बाद वाला पार्ट डायनेमिक है, और उसके बाद वाला पार्ट स्टैटिक है. मतलब 2 स्टैटिक पार्ट, एक डायनेमिक पार्ट. स्टैटिक डायनेमिक क्या होता है पता है सबको?
हाँ
ठीक
भैया.
है लो.
स्टैटिक मतलब जो चेंज नहीं हो रहा, डायनेमिक जो चेंज हो रहा है, ठीक है? तो हमको आधा फ्लैग यहाँ से मिल गया, लेकिन ये वाला जो फ्लैग बन रहा है उसके लिए इस कोड को एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. देयर इज सम दिस प्रोग्राम, देयर इज फंक्शंस. लेट मी रन द प्रोग्राम फर्स्ट. In this program, the program return welcome to the Argon calculator. This something. There is an option A, B, C, D. In this A option, we can see the program says estimate astral projection, etc., etc. We must see the number C option. Enter license key. We have to break the license key with the keygen program. If we choose the option C, okay. The program refer us to enter the license key, but we don't have the license key. The program will return with the key is not valid. Check your data entry. So let's reverse the program first. There is a function called def into trial. Not interested. Menu trial. And there is the function called check key. There is the function. जिन जिन लोगों को पाइथन आता है वो इस फंक्शन को थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे एक बार. कुछ समझ में आए तो बोलना पहले. हेलो.
भैया पाइथन का सिर्फ बेसिक्स किया था, वो भी भूल चुके हैं अभी, मतलब
ओके
याद नहीं
ओके,
पूरा।
कोई नहीं. ओके, एकदम ओके. So there is a function called check key. This function is using two variables, key username trial, and a global variable called key full template trial. Okay. Then this function if loop the key full name trial का length check कर रहा है यहाँ पे. For C key static part 1 की I iterator के साथ C not equal to return false कर रहा है. Iterator plus equals to 1 कर रहा है इधर. And there is the part we should check it out. We must check it out. Check the dynamic part. यहाँ पे जो एक्चुअल की का और आधा जो डायनेमिक पार्ट है वो यहाँ इस कोड में बन रहा है, इतने से कोड में. सो की third bracket I hashlib.sha 256. So we got the encryption sha 256 username.trial x digest and my screen is visible.
हाँ भैया।
यस भैया।
हाँ भैया.
So there is some indexes you must notice: 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, and then 1 and 8. Okay. So in reverse engineering, if we have to reverse a Python script or something else, we must create another script to reverse this. So let me create a script. Let me write the script. Okay. Okay, let me write the script. It is actually written. Okay. So there is a script I wrote to solve this program. Let me explain the script. At first I import hashlib, then I import base64. Then I copied those variables from the original script. And then I made a variable potential dynamic key and we have an offset of 23. And let me see you the original script. And this is the original script. I copy all those variables to this. Okay. Then we copy the positions. Four, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 8. Here is I entered the position in a list. Then I start a loop for p in positions potential dynamic key plus equals to hashlib sha 264 username.trial hex digest and p. Then we add the all parts to the key. key part static 1 trial potential dynamic key plus key part static 2 trial. Then print the key and print the length of the key. For generating the key, I must run the program. And I got the flag here. And 32 is the length of the flag. Now I'm copy this flag here. Yes, I just solved the reverse engineering CTF. किसी को कुछ समझ में आया ये? हेलो,
हाँ भैया,
समझ में आ गया?
पाइथन वाला पोर्शन
थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया।
थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं, इस जो स्क्रिप्ट है ना, इधर इधर जो दिख रहा है, इसको पढ़ के रिवर्स करने आना चाहिए। ओके, जिनको पाइथन बेसिक्स आता है ना, वो प्लीज इस स्क्रिप्ट को डाउनलोड करके थोड़ा सा देख लेना, एक बार कोड को रन करके देखना।
ठीक है भैया।
ठीक है भैया।
थैंक्स एवरीवन।
Thank you, Animus. You can mute your mic. Okay, so did everyone understand the whole part?
पूरा
भैया,
नहीं भैया,
जरा।
लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत समझा है।
आइडिया आ गया था।
हाँ, तो वो आइडिया देने के लिए आज का सेशन था। तो तुम लोगों को 2 वेबसाइट्स हम लोग लिंक शेयर कर देंगे ग्रुप में, जहाँ से तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। एक वो बैंडिट ओवर द वायर का था और एक पिको CTF। ओके, so from there you can start practicing for CTF challenges and इसके साथ आज का सेशन आई थिंक अब खत्म कर सकते हैं, राइट रोंगन?
I want to share a few things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good evening to all of you, and my special thanks goes to the facilitator, Sandeep, Animesh, and Banerjee. Who is the Banerjee? Shumantra Bandyopadhyay, Shumantra Banerjee. Yes, Shumantra. I am very much appreciate your sessions, and I'm very much thankful that you have shared your skills over here. And next, I want to tell to the students, those who are present here. Okay, things is that you probably seen that few hitchhichais. Okay, so this is not the actually what they are showing. They are the demo things. No? This is very much easy, I can say, than the real field. In the real field, when you are exactly going in the real field to real website, you are going to crack. This will be more difficult and more random trial. Maybe not one method is enough and sufficient. Sandeep has shown.
In actual CTFs, even we have taken, I have played in many CTFs, and even in different CTFs, I have taken more than 1 or 2 hours to crack a single solution.
Yeah, that is also been a created form. You are not trying to break a particular website which is physically present. So no, that is also a what you are telling. Your experience is that is also created for the purpose of ethical hacking trials. No, that how much you have skilled. So there may be multiple of method you need to apply, like reverse engineering, like cookie exploitations, or many more other methods you need to apply when you are in a real field. Suppose if you are a cybersecurity company, and if you are going to deliver your client that what is their loopholes, if you want to figure it out, then they are not one particular method may give you the result. You need to do multiple. Maybe your company for which you are hired for to test or audit that how is that company is website is secure or database is secure, then just you checked for the probably exploitation of the cookie, and you have seen yes that is perfectly working, that there is not possible of exploitation of the cookie, but it may happen through reverse engineering that you can crack down their server or their network. So all this method you'll have to randomly apply when you are a real field as an engineer or as a employee you want to work on. And things is that it is not obvious that by a single mode you will do it. There may be 10 trials, there may be 20 trials for a particular offset to be found. Last one has shown that he has took the offset value. What should be the offset value? How will calculate the offset value? Then you see that Shandeep has shown you one random process. He generated 20 number of random values, and the website is boring him to take the random values. He has to give the manual values. So there may be this type of things that you know that this by random value you can crack some websites. They will allow random values, but some website will not allow you to create the random values and to take the random values. Then you'll have to go for the manual values. So this needs a lot of practices and to remember these steps. This is the most task, or most fundamental task is that you need to know each and every different methods, and you need to know that each method's different steps. It is to be remembered. There is no other way. Okay. So I hope that you will do good practice of it. This is just a glimpse of the startingness, and you are not very familiar with Python. We are not expecting you to do so, but for the time being, you need to remember that these are the section where is my needed to do or need to learn. Suppose anime showed that what is the key area of the Python program. You need to know that section only, and what type of modification you need to do there. Then when you know that what is the Python program, how the Python program or big Python program composed of, and what are the different functionalities, then you will easily understand. But for the time being, you just remember it, and gradually when you will grow up, you will learn many more things and you will explore many more things. So I what I perceive that a lot of you not understand a lot of things, but just remember these things. Go back to the recorded file, and you just do practice it, and you will come someday as a good ethical hacker. Okay, Shandeep, what do you?
Sir, I want to say a few things to everyone. First of all, I apologize for my that panicness I have created at the beginning or the disturbance thing, because this is my first class, means first teaching class, so I got quite nervous. And second one is the CTF part I have practiced many days before, means nearly about 6 months or like that. So I have got forgot about this. So instantly I try to solve it. So I took some much more time. That's why I apologize. And
No, no,
second
no,
one is
there is no apologize. This will happen. And guys, I want to say the last thing is that what is the real ambience while you are in some organization who give the solutions of this type of things? You could refer one movie that will be quite interesting to you. I feel it's a James Bond movie that is Golden Eye. Okay, it came up in 1995. You can go there. You will find a play role of a hacker. That's character name was Boris, and you will see that how he is continuously trying to hack. So this type of things needs a lot of patience and a lot of trials, and there is nothing to be feel agony, Sandeep. It happens. It's it's very common to everyone. Okay, I'm not going to take any more time. I hope everybody will keep update with themselves with these channels, and they are delivering really excellent things. And I hope you also liked it, and I hope that you will enjoy and you will keep practicing. So Rangan, could we end over here? Animish and Rangan, Sandeep, and Sumantra Bandapadhyay, please stay here.